Hi, I'm meteorologist Peter Hall for CNY Central First Alert Forecast. Look, it's a big storm. The worst is going to be to our east. We're going to have some shovelable snow, but like we have been pounding the table about all this week, for Central New York standards, we can handle this. So let's talk about it. Here locally in Central New York, not a big storm. Will we get accumulations? Yes. Will some spots get more than others? Yes. Will any of our viewing area get what the Atlantic area near Boston and Hartford and Connecticut, will they get? No. Okay. Steady as snow. There's going to be some snow during the course of the day. The most notable, impactful snow is at and after 2 p.m. and through this evening. Most of Central New York by tomorrow morning should get at least 4 inches of snow. I think 4 inches is a safe bet. When you see a range like 4 to 8, doesn't mean everybody's getting 8. I don't mean to get all hyper about this, but I've noticed this is a trend when I walk around, people talk to me or see it on Facebook. It's a range. Right? So here you go. There's the two systems coming at us, one from the Great Lakes and the other one along the coast. They're going to combine energy and eventually become a nor'easter. And that's when the snow really cranks right there. See that right there, New York, up to the New England area? That's when the snow gets to its worst. And here locally, we will have accumulating snow. Let's just cut right to the chase here. I'm going to get out of the way so you can see the whole thing at the same time. This snowfall graphic, compared to what I had yesterday, is very similar. You might remember yesterday I had 4 to 9 in the dark blue and 9 to 15 in the white. I have made a slight adjustment downward, 4 to 8 in the dark blue, and I did move the white a little further to the north in the parts of the North Country. But the general scheme, I think, is most of Central New York should get at least 4 inches of snow by tomorrow morning, with some areas in the blue, the dark blue, getting 5, 6, 7, or 8 inches. In the white, you have the best chance of getting a minimum of 8 inches, with other spots getting as much as 12 inches. And the reason why I've done this is that you're in the most consistent snow up north. Also, with winds becoming northeasterly to northerly late tonight, tomorrow, there will be some enhancement that gets added. That's typically the case with nor'easters. So that area is why I've got you in the 8 to 12 in there. Same map, same snowfall graphic, but just to show you the difference here. See, there's two maximums. I wouldn't be surprised, by the way, near the Canadian border, that there may be some spots, I'm going to just circle it for you, right in here that might have 15 or 16 inches of snow, but I didn't want to go crazy and draw red in there. I would say Albany gets a foot. I would say near New York, you've got a foot or so. Parts of Long Island, and especially Connecticut, Mass, Rhode Island, 12 to 24 inches. And I bet you somewhere in this red, there's going to be spots more than 2 feet. If that wasn't enough, the winds are going to be over 35 miles an hour. And actually near the coast and offshore, hurricane-force winds. That means storm surge, as in flooding off of the water. Just like, sort of like a hurricane when you get storm surge flooding. So it's just incredible. That's how much worse it is over there versus our mainly 4 to 8, and you saw a few spots 8 to 12. Morning flurries and snow showers taper off. Clouds and intervals of sunshine. Breezy, only 22. Wind chills most of the day in the single digits. Diminishing wind, clear sky, low about 0. Of course, that for Syracuse implies below 0 numbers for many other areas east and northeast. Sunny skies, cold. Look at all the sunshine we've got coming our way late Saturday into Sunday. Precipitation probability here. 7-day forecast on cnycentral.com. Download our mobile app too.